control panel for retardation test of DC shunt motor. First of all, I will explain the front panel. In the front panel, there is the main input supply, 220 volt terminal is here, MCB, line indicator, voltage and current meter show the line voltage and line current, and the second voltmeter and current meter is connected with DC shunt motor. RPM meter, digital RPM meter, and below it the connector of RPM sensor. Variable DC source to run the motor, and changeover switch. When this changeover switch at this side, that means armature is cut down with the main DC supply, and when this switch is other side, then armature is loaded with the connected load. At this side, then armature is connected with the connected load, and below here the connection diagram for the test. And the second thing is the DC shunt motor having sensor is placed, and this DC motor shaft is connected with a flywheel which will rotate the motor when we cut the supply of armature. Now, how to connect I will show in this video. First of all, you have to connect single phase 220 volt to the terminal given on the front panel. Voltmeter in parallel and current meter in series. Current meter in series, which show the voltage, line voltage and current. Voltage parallel to armature and current meter is connected. Connect the RPM sensor terminal in the front panel. Now connect the armature terminal and field terminal of the motor with their respective terminals, armature to armature terminal and rheostat is connected to excite the field. Now, first of all, make the change over switch to left hand side. Variables DC source must be at minimum position. Connect the load at load terminal. Now connection is completed, and at high RPM the motor is disbalanced or vibrate because flywheel is connected with this shaft. So when we perform this experiment, the setup of DC motor must be grouted and make foundation for it. Now switch on the supply. Main MCB line indicator will glow. Rotate the variable source. Motor will start running. Make the voltage 200 volt DC. Change the rheostat to excite the field. Now cut down the armature with the help of switch. Note down the voltage, that is 200 volt, and note down the time when we cut the armature, and voltage will drop from 200 to 100. That time we will note with the stopwatch. Cut the armature, note down the time and stop the watch. This time is the T1. Now again variable source must be at minimum position and switch at left hand side. Now again start the motor. Now at this time maintain the same parameter voltage, and now we will connect the armature to the load. And now note down the voltage and current. Now change over the switch to the load side. Now again note the time between 200 to 100. When the needle of voltmeter reaches 100, stop the stopwatch and note that time. This is the T2. Note the voltage, current, and this T1 and T2. Put all the parameter in the formula and get the results for this retardation test. Thank you.